moment I'm operating the lift pump to prime the fuel system. That's the theory.
You should feel it change texture and perhaps it'll make a gurgle.
Yeah, I'm gurgling now. Yeah.
Right, so that's probably enough.
Right. Off we go. Let's make sure we're in neutral, shall we?
Now don't touch the accelerator.
No, but hang on, are we in here?
No, make sure it's in neutral.
That's in neutral.
Right, apply the handbrake.
Handbrake applied.
Pull the choke out.
One of these.
Down here.
Where is it? Oh, it's down there. Okay.
You're very heavy-handed.
I think you should have set limits on it.
You said the choke out.
Well, strictly
Not quite
speaking,
so far.
you did pull the choke out. Oh dear.
Right, well, that's a...
That's a fail.
down here.
I'm just going to push and see whether we can get it right with the cable. We might need to take that.
Could somebody get me a medium-sized screwdriver, please?
Where does one find them? In the drawer here, I see. Okay.
In the last place somebody put one.
You brought them back.
That's
Is that-
fine. Excellent. So this is the end of the...
Yeah.
It's got an interesting kink in
Yeah,
it.
it shouldn't have a kink in it.
Right, waggle the cord and see if it comes out.
Yeah, there
Yes,
go.
here we are.
Yeah.
Push it
Push
back
it all the way
fully.
in, yeah.
Right, and I'll put this back where it belongs,
Yeah.
down here.
Yeah.
It's got to be threaded. How does that work? Just going to there. Is there a dirty rag out there?
The blue one we used earlier?
And it's the first dirty rag you find.
Is that dirty enough? Or is that too clean?
That just goes round and round in the two fashion of things that go round
Has that
and
got
round.
a lock nut on? Is that?
No.
Oh, I see, yes.
So it's got a hole in it to accept the
wire.
the centre strand.
All the way in.
Because it's a similar hole on the other side,
Oh, I
on the
see,
other
yeah.
side of the threaded bit.
And it's slightly splayed. So that
Yes,
yeah.
I think that will try cutting it off clean.
It has one strand which is
Poking
one
out.
back. Yeah.
Now that's gone through
That's it, right. And then the sleeve needs to go.
in there.
Does the sleeve have to go all the way through the hole?
Well, it's gone as
far as it
it's
can,
going to
right.
go. Which I think is why there's that little kink that you saw when just pull it a bit.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
is.
that's free.
Yeah.
So that's fully in there.
That's fully in, yeah.
Right, and that,
All the way to the back,
yeah.
yes.
Just pull it out ever so much, 1/8 of an inch. That's
an
it.
eighth of an inch.
That gives it a bit of force to make sure
Yeah.
it goes back
Yeah.
completely, because we don't want the choke
Okay,
half on.
I'm going to push it back. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I need a much smaller screwdriver now. Is there a stubby?
So we need to immobilise.
I need the
outer.
long nose pliers there. Could you just pass those long nose pliers poking out at the back? That's
Right.
it. Yeah.
Oh, that was good. That actually worked.
You mean you normally drop it?
Yeah.
Right, operate
Gentle
that.
operation.
Yes,
Gentle operation.
halfway,
Halfway.
bit more. No, that's halfway.
Yeah.
Keep pulling. That's
full.
fully.
Yeah.
And back, let's see if it goes back all right.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, that feels right. I mean, it's stiff, but that needs lubrication on there.
I did put some oil on it the other day. You can see where it's stiff there.
Yes.
Doesn't need any more.
So how much choke do we need?
All of it to start.
All of it to start. Okay.
Right.
Do I need to reprime anything?
No, it should be all right.
Right.
Right. So you're in neutral. The handbrake's on. You're not pressing the accelerator. Operate the key. Don't press the accelerator at all. Don't press the accelerator. Push the choke back just a tad. That's it.
Halfway back.
Yeah. And now give it a blip.
Yeah. Very happy.
Yeah.
Much happier than it used to be. It used to choke.
Yeah.
On the.
Now I think if you turn it off now, it should start readily.
With choke in the.
Just in that position.
Okay. That's really happy. No, that is happy.
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice. It's running much better than it was. Because it always used to be hesitant on take-up. Brilliant. Ready for no choke.
We wouldn't push the choke back yet if we were going to drive off, but we're not. We're going to push the choke back and turn it off in a moment.
Just checking the idle. That's quite a happy idle.
Yes.